Hello, my name is Nishant Kanakya and I am the Executive Director at Triveni and Steel Industries Private Limited. We implemented New Horizon ERP in 2022. Before that, we were maintaining all the data and records in Excel spreadsheets, but the only challenge was that we were not getting accurate data and real-time data because it was manually filled. So there were a lot of errors and a lot of chances of failures. After implementing New Horizon, we started getting real-time data because we got end-to-end traceability in all production aspects and inventory aspects. So because of that, we could get real-time data and our inventory management got strong. One of the notable benefits which we got was in our lead management, which previously it was not effective in our company. We were able to track and record the leads, and because of that it also showed in our lead conversion. Because we got real-time tracking, we could get the customer data, we maintained customer masters, so that was a big benefit to us which was not there previously. Even the team of New Horizon and Sourcepro was very supportive because during the implementation time they guided us throughout the implementation. Overall, we can say that in our production aspect, inventory aspect and even the lead management, after implementing New Horizon, it has been much more beneficial to us, and we are really happy with this ERP as well as the support of the Sourcepro team. Thank you so much.